Today, we're gonna deep fry a turkey and hopefully not burn down the house. Here's the kit that I got. It's from Home Depot. It was about $105 for this and the oil. So let's take a deeper look and see what we got. So I bought this kit, and it says it comes with an aluminum pot, 30 quart, automatic timer, 13.5-inch cooking stand, and all that kind of stuff, and all the gadgets. So let's see what we got inside. Directions, our lid. We got our cooking base, and it looks like our gas manifold. Let's see, we got our pot in here. We got okay, this is our gas line. This is our gauge. On and off. And our leg. And this is a timing device, which I don't know how I feel about it. This part has to attach to this part, this. And we don't want to tighten it all the way. And then we want to take our thermal couple right here and attach it like this. We're going to attach our legs. Turn this upside down like that. We're going to attach our legs like this. So it's going to go like that. We're going to take this one, we're going to put it like this. Right over top of this. So I think this is bent. This is supposed to be flat. Like that. pot like this. We have the gas off, and it's off there. So let's fill it up. We're gonna turn the gas on. And I'm gonna take the thermometer right here. I'm gonna stick it on the side of the pot like that, so it's inside the oil. And we're gonna get it all the way, so it's on high on the regulator. And then you have to hold down this button and stick this in here. Now we gotta turn this on. There we go. Now we have a flame. Now we're waiting for our gauge here to reach 250 degrees. Alright, so we've reached 250 degrees. Right there. Now we're going to take our turkey right here. We're going to throw our glove on. We're going to take our hook and we're going to drop our turkey and hope for the best. So 250 degrees. This will keep it from boiling when we drop this. Enough oil, so we're going to add some more oil. Alright, so now we're going to take our temperature here, right in the breast. We're looking at a little high, but here we go. So we're right there, right at the temperature we want. We are done. We're going to turn this off right here. And we're going to turn the tank off right here. Now we're off. Oil's cooling down. Let's eat.